All right, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? Hope that all of you are well and having a wonderful time. Welcome back to my video once again. My name is Porosh, and today's video is going to be super duper special because in this video, I will show you how you can practice your English without any speaking partner. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need any speaking partner, you don't need any tutor, or even you don't need any classroom for practicing your English. All you need is ChatGPT. In this video, I will practice my English with ChatGPT and I will show you how you can also do the same thing and improve your English. Okay, so I have my laptop in front of me and I also have my two microphone. One I will include here and other one I will set in front of my laptop so that you can hear what ChatGPT will respond me. Okay, but first of all, I would like to say something about English language. English is very important. We all know this. English is needed for every aspects of our life. So that's why we need to learn it and we need to master of it. And once if we can master of it, we will be able to do whatever we want in our life. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important and it's essential for each and every one of us. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you don't have any speaking partner, you don't need to too much worry because we have many options in our hand, but we have to know how we can use those things in order to improve ourselves. Okay, so it's time to practice my spoken English with ChatGPT. If you have any confusion, then you can tell it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to overcome your confusion. So first of all, let's start with a simple sentence. I will ask ChatGPT hello. Let's see how ChatGPT replies me. Okay, just a minute. I need to open ChatGPT app and later I will show you how ChatGPT responds me. Just a minute. Okay, so here I go. Hello ChatGPT, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today?
Well, I am great and I would like to practice my English with you. Are you willing to practice English with me?
Of course, I'd love to help you practice your English. What would you like to talk about or practice today?
Well, I don't want to practice English with any specific topic, but I would like to know how can I improve my spoken English.
Improving your speaking English can be really fun. Here are a few tips. 1. Practice regularly. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just a little bit. 2. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers, like in movies or podcasts, and try to repeat what they say to practice pronunciation. 3. Join language groups. Find language exchange partners or groups where you can practice speaking with others. 4. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of your native language to get more comfortable with it. 5. Use technology. Apps and online tools can help you practice speaking and listening. Would you like to try some?
Okay, so just look, ChatGPT told me 5 tips how I can improve my English. So many of you have confusion that which tips you need to follow in order to improve your English. If you need any kinds of tips, then you can search it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you. Okay, so now not only conversation. If you have any confusion, then ChatGPT will help you in this regard too. Just a minute, let me show it to you. Just a minute. I would like to overcome a confusion. Okay, just a minute. Well, hello ChatGPT. Would you please explain the difference between since and for?
Sure. Says and said are both forms of the verb to say, but they are used in different tenses. Says, this is the present tense form. You use says when talking about someone speaking in the present. For example, she says she will come to the party. Said, this is the past tense form. You use said when talking about someone speaking in the past. For example, he said he was tired yesterday. So, says is used for present tense, and said is used for past tense.
Look, how easy learning English for us. But you have to have a strong mentality for learning English and you need to invest some time on it. Okay, only then you will see you are improving and things are changing. We have many options in our hand. If we are so willing to learn English, then we will learn it at any cost or anyhow. But we have to create a strong mindset and we have to create a strong mentality for learning English. Okay, so this is the way how we can practice our English with ChatGPT. Okay, I'm so lucky that I have a laptop. I got it last December, and I have been using it for improving my English. And I found ChatGPT when I started my English journey 1 year earlier, and from that time I have been talking to ChatGPT every single day just to improve my English. I never ever seek anyone's help. I already told several times this in my videos. You also don't need to seek anyone's help. I mean, if you have a mobile phone, then you can go install ChatGPT from Play Store or Google Play, and then you can practice your English with it. Okay, this is going to be very, very helpful for you. So this is the thing. Okay, in this way we can practice our English every single day, and when you make a consistency, it will help you to improve yourself. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. In the evening time I was doing my academic studies, and then I thought, how about making a video about ChatGPT, or how we can use ChatGPT in order to improve our English. And after that I thought sometimes about it, and then I'm here in front of the camera, and I already spoke with ChatGPT. Sorry, I have already spoken with ChatGPT, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comments, and share. And every day I'm trying to share my ideas with ChatGPT. And if you want more videos like this, please consider to subscribe my channel. This will be a great thing for me. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so always be passionate about learning English. Always try to learn. Always try to be crazy for learning English. If you are crazy, if you are so willing to learn English, you will make it happen. I'm pretty sure about it. Look at me. 1 year earlier, I did not know lots of things about English, but right now I know so many things about English. And look, I'm here in front of you, and I'm being able to inspire you. I'm being able to motivate you. I'm being able to show you some tips. How can you improve your English speaking skills? So if you start your journey from now, after a certain time of period, you will see your improvement, or you will feel where was your position and now where are you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Take care of yourself, and bye for now. See you in the next time.